Welcome to this in-depth review of SpiderPool, an innovative crypto mining platform that is redefining how miners approach blockchain technology. SpiderPool is built for both individual and industrial-scale mining operations, offering robust infrastructure, advanced algorithms, and user-friendly dashboards. The platform supports major cryptocurrencies, ensuring compatibility with popular mining setups and offering a competitive edge with optimized reward distribution mechanisms. The SpiderPool interface is intuitive, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned miners. The dashboard provides detailed insights into mining activity, hash rates, and profitability, all in real time. The platform boasts cutting-edge security protocols, ensuring your assets and operations are safeguarded from cyber threats. Additionally, SpiderPool has a transparent fee structure, so you always know where your earnings are going. One of the standout features of SpiderPool is its ability to maximize mining efficiency through advanced pool technology. The platform's algorithmic enhancements ensure that every miner's contribution is optimized for maximum output. SpiderPool also provides seamless integration with popular mining rigs and software, making it a plug-and-play solution for many users. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For miners focused on Ethereum, SpiderPool offers exceptional tools to manage workloads efficiently while reducing energy consumption. It prioritizes uptime and reliability, ensuring that you're always connected to the network. The reward system is transparent and fair, distributing earnings based on individual contributions without hidden deductions. SpiderPool also values community engagement and provides detailed documentation to help users get started and troubleshoot effectively. The platform frequently updates its software to stay ahead in the fast-evolving crypto space, ensuring compatibility with the latest blockchain developments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto insights and platform reviews. Your support helps us bring you the best tools and tips for navigating the world of cryptocurrency mining.